So guys, I am somewhere in this village. Suddenly this Google Maps is showing me to go through this village. I don't understand. I was cruising on the highway and suddenly according to the map I have to come into this village and there is no road to go outside. I'm searching for the road. And right now I'm on the way to Nagarjuna Sagar. As we can see, I need to go this way. Let me try crossing this if this goes. Yeah, that was easy. Oh. Crazy things keep happening if you follow Google Maps. I have no explanation. But what a beautiful place this is. There is a water canal there and you can see trees, and now we have a herd of sheep coming. Highway ellada ade అటు పోతే హైవే వస్తుంది కదా. ఈ రోడ్ ఎక్కడ దాకా వెళ్తుంది? ఓకే ఓకే. You can see these roads. This is frustrating. I just don't know where I'm going. This looks like a forest. Remote place. There is no road also. Just like a trail. You can see trees all everywhere. Water canal. It's a beautiful location. Very nice and green, but look at this off-road trail. Sometimes I feel frightened to follow these maps. I can get lost somewhere. Actually, I'm heading to Nagarjuna Sagar. I started from Kavali. That's my hometown in the afternoon, and I'm on my way to Nagarjuna Sagar. So finally I find a road. How crazy that was. So some part of a road finally. Once again I'm in this small village.
So finally I hit the highway once again, and it was a very beautiful and a scenic road, and I was enjoying the ride. But I noticed that I had a problem once again, as my bike was showing low fuel. I didn't notice it until then, but suddenly I was again in trouble. So I started searching for a fuel station to fill up my bike. But I was not finding any fuel station for nearly half an hour. So I was getting a bit tensed and worried, because that would be the worst thing, to be stranded on the road without any fuel in the bike. So I was just concentrating on the ride and desperately searching for a fuel station. And fortunately, after about 40-50 kilometers, I found a fuel pump and I filled up the bike. And then as I was traveling, I found this place where these bricks were burnt. These are the brick kilns. So the bricks are heated and burnt to make them dry and hard. So this is how the bricks are made. And you can see this huge pyramids of bricks. So it was an interesting thing as you find it only in rural areas. And I continued my journey, and as we can see here, the road was very beautiful and the views and the scenery around was absolutely amazing. The beautiful hills and the lush green area around, and also the smooth road was making the ride very enjoyable. So I was getting closer to Nagarjuna Sagar. It was roughly about 100 kilometers, and I was keen on reaching the destination before sunset. And occasionally we found cattle like this on the road, which is not a new thing in India. You would find cattle, sheep and other animals just crossing the roads, and this is a common thing on the Indian highways. As we can see, buffaloes completely covering the road, and even the person who takes these cattle doesn't even bother to make them go in a straight line to the side of the road. As we can see, so I was just filtering through the gaps and getting out of that situation quickly. And it was close to sunset, and we can see the beautiful sunset happening. It was very nice. The camera was not capturing it properly, but when I saw it in real, it was very beautiful. And it was also getting a bit dark, but I was almost reaching Nagarjuna Sagar, and I reached Nagarjuna Sagar at about 6 o'clock, and I checked into the guest house. I was a bit tired and I just wanted to rest and just relax for some time. So I had food, checked into the guest house and took rest for the night.
So, good morning friends. This is the last day, the 5th day of my trip. So I'm right now in Nagarjuna Sagar, and I am on this bridge, and on the right you can see the Nagarjuna Sagar dam. So that is the dam. I'm going to the Ethipotala Waterfalls right now, which is about 12 kilometers from here, and it takes about just 15 minutes. So let's go and check out the waterfall. I hope there is enough water. So let's see how it goes.
So friends, I have reached the Ethipotala Waterfalls, and that is the entrance. So now let's go in and check out the waterfalls, how they are. And there is my beautiful bike, the beast. So let's go inside. Look at these beautiful birds. That is the thing. So as we enter into this entrance, this is how it looks, and I can hear the water. Let's go and check it out quickly. So friends, I am at the Ethipotala Waterfalls, and just take a look at these waterfalls. So beautiful, isn't it? Actually, it is a bit far. We can't go near it, but you can see that there is a good amount of water. You can see a large formation here, waterfall here, and over there also you can find some more little smaller one. So this is the viewpoint to the falls. So friends, that is the Ethipotala Waterfalls. I hope you are able to see that, and it's a pretty nice place. As you can see the water going there, and you see some more smaller one. Here you can see, and here you can see. So that is all guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like and share your comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also ring the bell for more notifications. And please do check out my other videos, and stay tuned for more new videos coming up soon. So this is Stephen Panupati signing off from the Ethipotala Waterfalls. Until next time, take care, and bye bye.